Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To open today's webinar, the Australian dollar is attempting to recover further since rebounding from that objective of 73.10. With the resistance now coming in at 74.30.35, it would need to clear that level to regain further momentum and capture a potential target of 75.05.15 before the likelihood of a return bearish view and look back towards that 73.10 level, which, as you can see here, was clearly rejected on Monday. In light of the current technical pattern, it is a little bit at the moment for a convincing break to the upside. However, if the US dollar strength continues, then we may actually see this level fail towards 74.30.35. So let's see how the 24-hour outlook plays out. Euro attempts to recover after rebounding from the 105.70 region, with the resistance now capped firmly from the overnight of 106.55. With that seen as an intraday cap of 106.55, the outlook could see the market turn back towards the downside and challenge that 105.70 level, with the objective holding towards 104.70.90. Now do note, if we get a break above 106.55, this would trigger short coverage to 107.20.25 or even as high as 108.20. The reason behind that is if you look at the dailies, we are still clearly oversold. Especially when you look at the index, that is pretty much overbought. So the risk is in the next coming days of a short-term recovery in euro and a slightly weaker US dollar, but not seen on a broader term, as I still hold in the view that euro can actually fall beneath 104 and may head towards 102. Dollar yen, well, did stage a very weak price action yesterday after falling to the lows of 110 before rebounding rather sharply, and now looking towards that resistance of 111.40.50. Now, although when you look at the dailies, we are overbought, and I do expect to see that level around 111.40.50 to cap, but if the market ignores the technical signals and instead breaks above 111.50, then this could trigger on a rally towards 112.20.25 and higher up towards 112.65.80 and reassess from there. The longer the level of 111.50 holds, then the view is should turn back towards 110.50 and then down towards 109.80.85 to ease the technical overbought situation, and maybe even to a low around 109.10 before staging a recovery. Well, sterling, after putting in a brave rally 48 hours ago, the market has retreated from that 125.05.20 level, with the outlook slightly breaking down now. Looks towards the support of 123.60.70, which could actually eventuate towards the lows of 122.80 to 122.20 and reassess from there. In an unexpected move above 125.20, then this could actually see a squeeze up towards 125.70 to 126.40.45, but this looks unlikely after the market once again fails from that 125 region. Gold still not breaking away from the 112 challenge, and now looks like we could see that today. However, if we get another rejection from that 112 level, could see a bounce back towards 12.16 or even as high as 1,222 to 24 and reassess from there. If we do get a break beneath 1,200, then this would give further hope of a further bearish view to 1,188 as immediate support, with an objective put in place at 1,150. And to wrap up with oil, the daring attempt to the upside didn't continue on, with the market dropping away from the highs of $49 to $48. Now questions if we've seen a top. With that said, another 24 hours of bullish momentum could actually see the market claim its target of $50 a barrel. However, if the pattern from the last 12 hours is weakening, then we could see a fall towards 46.40. Now beneath there would reinstate the downside to $43 a barrel and reassess from there. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a great day ahead.